Hi Achievers! Welcome to A+ Russian. Today we are learning how to say he wants an orange. Be sure to watch the video to the end for a bonus tip. Ready? Please consider subscribing and let's go! Today we continue learning the names of foods and phrases that go with them. When we need to say he wants something, in Russian we say ОН ХОЧЕТ, where ОН is he and ХОЧЕТ is wants. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word ОН, which is Russian for he. The first sound is O and it's stressed and is pronounced as O. And then we have sound N, and all together it's ON, which is Russian for he. Try saying it with me. ON, ON. Excellent. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word хочет, which is Russian for wants. The first sound is H, and we sound it out. H, H. Then goes O, and it's stressed and is pronounced as O. Then we have Ch, Ye, and then we have T at the end. And all together we have хочет, хочет, which is wants in Russian. Try saying it with me. Хочет. Well done. So far we've learned how to say ОН ХОЧЕТ, where ОН is he and ХОЧЕТ is wants. Do you remember how to say he? ОН. Excellent. What about wants? ХОЧЕТ. Well done. In English we simply say I want, you want. In Russian we change the form of the verb. Check out the previous lessons on food if you need to review how to say I want, you want, or she wants in Russian. And the last new word for today is апельсин. 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 Апельсин is an orange in Russian. АПЕЛЬСИн. Апельсин. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word апельсин, which is Russian for an orange. The first sound is A, then we have P, then goes Ye, then we have L, which is followed by soft sign, and soft sign makes the preceding letter sound soft. So we have L, then we have S, I, and N. And all together we have апельсин with the stress on the last syllable. Апельсин. Try saying it with me. Апельсин, which is Russian for an orange. Now let's see how well you remember everything that we learned today and play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Он is he, хочет is wants, апельсин is an orange, он хочет, хочет, апельсин, апельсин. Он. Do you remember where the other on is? Excellent. Хочет. Do you know where the other хочет is? Well done. Апельсин. Апельсин. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say he wants an orange. Он хочет апельсин. Where он is he, Хочет is wants, and апельсин is an orange. Do you remember how to say he? Он. Excellent. Do you remember how to say wants? Хочет. What about an orange? Апельсин. Well done. And here is your bonus tip. Sometimes you'll hear native speakers say «Он хочет апельсинов». It means that he wants more than just one orange, without saying how many. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A+ Russian.